The pursuit of youthful, radiant skin is a timeless endeavor. Many of us look in the mirror and wish to soften the fine lines that tell the stories of our laughter and worries. While the world of cosmetic procedures offers quick solutions, there is a certain elegance in turning to nature first. Embracing natural methods is not just about saving money. It is about nurturing your body with wholesome, gentle ingredients. It is a commitment to a lifestyle that values both inner health and outer beauty. The beauty of home remedies lies in their accessibility and transparency. Think of it as farm to table, but for your face. This mindful practice connects us more deeply to our self-care rituals. Choosing a natural path to skincare is a sustainable choice. It reminds us that true beauty is not about erasing every line. This guide is designed to empower you with simple, effective, and entirely natural ways. We will explore 5 fundamental approaches, from the gentle touch of facial massage to the nourishing power of pantry staples. These are timeless traditions, updated for the modern home. Prepare to unlock the secrets to smoother, more supple skin using nature's beautiful tools. It is a wonderful way to begin your journey toward a more radiant you. One of the most effective and pleasurable ways to combat fine lines is through facial massage. This technique stimulates blood circulation, bringing oxygen and nutrients to skin cells. This increased blood flow helps promote collagen production. Think of it as a gentle workout for your face. To begin, you will need a small amount of natural carrier oil: jojoba, almond, olive oil. Warm a few drops between your fingertips to make applications smooth and luxurious. Starting at your chin, use gentle, upward sweeping motions along your jawline. This movement helps counteract gravity and encourages a lifted, defined appearance. Next, focus on the area around your mouth and cheeks. Make small, circular motions from mouth corners up toward temples to soften smile lines. For the delicate area under your eyes, use your ring finger. It has the lightest touch, and gently tap from inner corner outward. This tapping motion can help reduce puffiness and diminish crow's feet over time. For the forehead, place fingertips in center and glide outward toward temples. Repeat several times to release tension in the frontalis muscle. Conclude with warm palms against your face for a calming moment. Your kitchen pantry holds a treasure trove perfect for creating nourishing face masks. One of the most classic and effective combinations is honey and yogurt. Honey, yogurt. Raw honey is a natural humectant, drawing moisture into skin, leaving it plump and hydrated. It is packed with antioxidants that help repair damage. Plain yogurt contains lactic acid, gently exfoliating dead skin cells for brighter complexion. To prepare this mask, you will need 1 tablespoon each of yogurt and honey. Mix the ingredients together until you have a smooth, creamy paste. Using fingertips or soft brush, spread evenly over clean face, avoiding eye area. Another wonderfully effective mask can be made with avocado and egg white. Avocado, egg white. Avocado is rich in healthy fats, vitamin E, vitamin C, and antioxidants. It helps restore the skin's lipid barrier for soft, supple texture. Egg white has natural tightening effect, shrinking pores and lifting skin. Mash quarter avocado until smooth. Whisk egg white until frothy, then combine. Apply this green, nutrient-rich mask to clean face, avoiding eye area. Allow 20 minutes to set. You will feel distinct tightening as it dries. Rinse thoroughly and pat dry for incredibly soft, refreshed skin. While topical treatments are important, the foundation of youthful skin is built from within. What you consume each day has direct and profound impact on your skin's health. A diet rich in antioxidants is paramount for fighting oxidative stress that breaks down collagen. Fill your plate with a vibrant rainbow of fruits and vegetables: berries, spinach, kale, bell peppers, sweet potatoes. These are packed with vitamins C and E that protect skin cells and support collagen synthesis. Hydration is another non-negotiable pillar of smooth, plump complexion. When dehydrated, skin shows fine lines more pronounced and appears dull. Aim to drink at least 8 glasses of water throughout the day. Infuse water with cucumber, lemon, or mint. Herbal teas are excellent choice. Green tea gives hydration plus antioxidants. Healthy fats are essential for strong skin barrier that locks in moisture. Incorporate omega-3 sources: salmon, walnuts, flax seeds. Limit excess sugar and refined carbohydrates that cause glycation. Focus on whole, nutrient-dense foods to maintain smooth, firm, radiant skin for years to come.